Hi everyone, welcome to Leo Cooks. I'm Leo. Today we are making tomato scrambled eggs. Soft, juicy, and just a little better than takeout. It's simple, satisfying, and full of flavor. Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how to make it perfect every time. Here's what you need for this dish. 3 large ripe tomatoes, 4 large eggs, 2 tablespoons neutral oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt for the tomatoes, 1 pinch of salt for the eggs, 1/2 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon ketchup for that deep tangy flavor, 1 stalk green onion. For tomatoes, slice 1 tomato into small chunks. This helps release more juices to create that beautiful savory sauce. Slice the other into large wedges. This will hold their shape and give you juicy bites with texture. You can keep the skins on. They add color and texture. For the green onions, separate the white and the green parts. Finely chop the white parts. We will stir fry them with the eggs to boost aroma. The green parts, slice them thin. They will go in right at the end for a fresh finish. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt and beat until fully mixed. You should see a uniform golden color and a few bubbles on top. That's your sign it's well whipped and airy. Heat a non-stick pan or a wok over medium-high heat and coat it with 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, pour in the eggs and let them sit for a few seconds until the edges start to set. Then gently stir, folding the eggs to make soft, fluffy curds. As soon as they are about 80% cooked, take them out and set aside. We will finish them with the tomatoes. Add a little bit more oil to the pan. Then throw in the white parts of the green onion. Stir for 10 seconds until fragrant. Now, add the chopped tomatoes and sprinkle over 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This helps draw out moisture and enhance the tomatoes' natural flavor. Stir fry for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your stove. Watch the tomatoes. The small pieces should be breaking down into a sauce, while the large chunks hold their shape but look softened. Once you see a nice saucy consistency, add 1 tablespoon of ketchup and 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This gives the dish a slightly sweet, tangy restaurant-style flavor. Add the eggs back into the pan. Gently fold them into the tomato mixture and finish with the green parts of the onion. Stir for 10 to 15 seconds, just until everything is evenly combined and heated through. Then turn off the heat. That's it, tomato scrambled eggs with a perfect balance of softness, sauce, and texture. You will get juicy bites, tender eggs, and that rich flavor that makes this dish unforgettable. If this dish made your day brighter, hit that like button, subscribe, and come back next time. In my kitchen, there's always something easy, tasty, and just a little better than takeout. I'm Leo. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.